to enjoy this evening. If you saw any of it at all, you can count yourself very lucky indeed. For most of us, grey has definitely been the colour this Easter. A lot of cloud across the UK throughout the day. One or two holes in the cloud. We saw a few glimmers of sunshine across the Isle of Wight and for Southampton, and it has been a glorious day in Orkney. But elsewhere, it's been overcast, and that cloud has been providing some heavy bursts of rain. Some now across parts of North Norfolk, arcing in across North East England, and some wet weather across parts of Cumbria too. That arc of rain will continue to bring wet weather through the night across much of northern England, affecting parts of southern Scotland, and some damp conditions too through the night across Northern Ireland. And we'll still have that arc of thicker cloud and outbreaks of rain into the morning, with the heaviest rain across northeast England and southeast Scotland. Elsewhere, it'll turn quite misty overnight. It'll be a grey start again, mist, fog and low cloud around. Gradually though, things will tend to brighten up a little bit, possibly a bit more sunshine than today, but that wouldn't be difficult, would it? We may see some glimmers of sunshine, say, across parts of the south, maybe into western parts of Wales, but here we may trigger one or two showers. Thicker cloud across Devon and Cornwall, outbreaks of showery rain here. The wet weather across northeastern England will drift its way up the eastern side of Scotland. Always grey along that east coast, with the winds coming in off the North Sea. Temperatures here no higher than 6 or 7 Celsius. If it brightens up, we may get up to 12 or 13. As for Tuesday, a lot of weather fronts across the country, staying cloudy with some rain in the south.
Nice dream.
That wet weather continuing for most of the day through the central lowlands. It's been pretty miserable in Edinburgh. That rain now just clearing away further north across Fife and Perth and Kinross. And we've also got another batch of wet weather just heading up towards the Channel Isles. So two weather fronts to keep your eye on overnight tonight. Both of them will be slowly pushing their way northwards. This one spreading rain in across Devon, Cornwall and parts of South Wales by dawn, and this one very slowly heading up towards Aberdeen. In between, most of us staying dry, but again it will turn rather misty through the night. Those two weather fronts still with us through much of tomorrow. It'll be a pretty wet day for many eastern coastal counties of Scotland, and further south that rain becoming more extensive across South Wales and the West Country. In between, most places starting off rather grey. There'll be that mist around, but we may see some brighter skies through tomorrow across parts of northwest England and southwest Scotland. We may see a few glimmers of sunshine here. Elsewhere, fairly cloudy, always grey along the east coast, and the rain becoming more extensive across Wales, maybe pushing up into parts of Northern Ireland and spreading across the Midlands and southeast England for the afternoon. The breeze also picking up here too, so feeling miserable. Temperatures 8 or 9 degrees at best. Still pretty cold along that east coast, with some brightness, maybe temperatures up to 12 Celsius. Again, most of us cloudy with further rain at times as we head through into Wednesday, maybe a bit drier on Thursday. Goodbye.